Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan. This morning, it's a nice sunny day in Florida. Supposedly going to hit 76 degrees. Ooh, I know for you people that are really cold, yeah, it's bad. Okay, so this morning I'm just going to whip up an omelet, and I never showed you guys my version of it, so we're going to make that today, and hope you enjoy it, hope you try it, and it's going to be delicious. And a quick video, hopefully. Okay, here's my pan. I got it heating on medium high. I'll probably lower that after a bit. Got my cooking spray here. This is going to be a zero dish, 0 points. This is some tomato sauce that I have. Diced jalapeños, some salt and pepper. Got a couple eggs here I'm going to beat up. This here is Canadian bacon, which that's a slice and that's a slice. So just to let you know, 0 points. I got some 0 point cheddar cheese. And in the background I got some mushrooms. And I got some onions. Okay, so let's get to it. Okay, so pan's hot. A little spray on there. Beat up some eggs. I like beating them up a little bit here. Okay, so in the pot they go. Okay, then we're going to throw a little bit of cheese in here. Get that starting to melt. A little salt and pepper, a little pinch to grow an inch, huh? Then we're going to put a little bit of, this is just regular tomato sauce I got here. It's actually crushed red tomato. And I usually put just a little bit. I used to use tomatoes, but I don't always have the tomatoes, but I always seem to have some crushed red tomatoes. And then we're going to have a little bit of jalapeno, just diced jalapenos, Mt Olive, my favorite. Throw a little bit of onion in there. Maybe a little bit of mushrooms here and there, see? Wait till Penny gets this one. These mushrooms I made the other day had a little heat to them, see? So you got the jalapenos and you got this, and then she's going to put hot sauce on top of it. Holy moly. But anyway, this is all 0. 0 points. I know you guys probably get sick of me saying it, but there's a lot of people out there that comment back to us that say they like the 0 recipe, so I know a couple of them make stuff, so anyhow. And 1 piece of ham, Canadian bacon, I mean, to me it looks like ham, but they call it Canadian bacon, so. But this 1 slice is 0 points, and it's kind of not too bad, probably 1/8 of an inch thick. And that's really basically all we put in here. So not a little sprinkle of cheese. Try to use about not even 1/4 cup of cheese, but I always put a little sprinkle on top of the meat when I get done putting it in there. And so, my friends, it's time to flip. And what I do is just try to give it a little shake like this. So if there's anything that's loose on the top, will hopefully slide down a little bit. See, sometimes what you think is an egg is really cheese. So, anyhow, I'm going to fold this over here. And there you have it. A couple minutes, and we're done. Okay, guys, there you have my Mr. Dan's famous omelet. But the eggs that we use, I don't know if I told you, they're cage-free. We spent a little more for them, but look at the color difference in an omelet. The egg yolks are so much more vibrant color-wise. I mean, like an orangey versus, I mean, they're brighter. I don't know. But anyhow, they still taste good. All right, we'll meet you at the taste test table. Okay, guys, there you have it. We're going to meet you at the table. Okay, guys, I hope I got this thing set right so you can see what's going on here. But anyway, Miss Camera Girl's working as usual. It's a Monday morning. But the sun is shining, the birds are singing. Hopefully get to go for a bike ride today because it ain't too cold. But anyway, let's dig into this here omelet. This is Mr. Dan's special. That's a good thing to do if you want to clean out your refrigerator. Not that I was doing that, but I've been known to do that before. You know, I'll put potatoes in here, some sausage. No, I mean, not this particular one, but different things I'll take out of the refrigerator. And just load it up, especially if there's just a little bit of this, a little bit of that. But I just love I make this is a typical omelet here. And I love it. So this was Penny. Anyway, as you can see, it's easy to make, a couple minutes. Okay, so without further ado, I got stuff to do here. There's Mr. Dan saying, when you're out and about, protect yourself as well as others. Wash your hands, wash your hands. And when you're out and about, get your sanitizing spray or gel. You know, in the car, wash off your hands. Every once in a while, take a Lysol wipe or spray. Take it in the car, wipe your steering wheel down, your dashboard. Anytime you touch buttons, you know, they say that the COVID is not transmissible by contact of touching stuff. It doesn't last, the virus doesn't last that long. I don't know. I don't care. Just do it. Okay. So don't talk with your mouth full. And if you do, make sure it's with like a dish like this, and you're telling all your friends about it. Give us a like, share with your friends, subscribe if you haven't yet, and when you do, a little notification bell will pop down. You smack that little bell. It'll pop up and ask you a question. You want to personalize? Say yes, and then it'll each time I put another video out, you guys get notified. And then anyhow, there's a little arrow right below the video box up there. That's an arrow down. You hit that, the drop box will come down. That has another part of the description. A link to my Cooking with Mr. Dan Facebook page, my daughter's artwork page, and a complete recipe, ingredients, and how to cook what we just did here today. So, my friends, stay hungry. Come back tomorrow morning. We'll give you another delicious omelet just like this. This is Mr. Dan saying we're out for now. Have a good day. And everybody, please stay safe.